Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Alisa Dwi Darmayanti, usually called Alisa. I'm from 9th class and my absent number is 2. Here I will read a narrative text with the tip of fable entitled A Fox and a Cat. A Fox and a Cat. One day, a cat and a fox were having a conversation. The fox, who was a conceited creature, boasted how clever he was. "I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mutual enemies, the dog," sighed the fox. "I know only one trick to get away from dogs," sighed the cat. "You shall teach me some of yours." "Well, maybe someday, when I have the time, I might teach you a few of the simpler ones," replied the fox airily. Just then they heard the barking of a pack of dogs. The dogs were coming in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder erection. At once the cat ran to the nearest tree and climbed into its branches, well out of reach of any dogs. "This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know," sighed the cat. "Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use?" The fox stood silently under the tree, wondering which tricks he should use. Before he could make up her mind, the dogs arrived and they fell upon the fox and tore her to pieces. The moral value from the story is: 1. A single plan that works is better than 100 doubtful plans. 2. Don't be arrogant just because we have a little advantage over other people. That is all from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.